Okay, so let's get started through our today's topic about informal letter. An informal letter is a letter you would write to a friend or family, just as one talks to a friend or relative. Generally, these informal letters are personal letters, which usually are written to our family members, some close relatives and friends. Normally, we talks to them in a very simple, easy to understand and the natural style. Generally, usually we always talks with them. In this way, we write the letters. An informal letter is that letter that you would write to your close relatives, friends, family members, like normally one talks with another. Now, what this informal letter usually shows, that what these express. Now, informal letter is not that letter that only express some happiness, that they are always written to express happiness only. They are used to written that you are feeling so bad for any that you did wrong. So for your apology, that you are feeling so much guilty. For expressing your sorrow, happiness. So expressing happiness, that for example, for if you want to express your happiness, like I received your letter on, like there was an occasion and you were so happy for that, and you received your letter on that particular one. I am happy to receive your letter. Like that also you can say that I am very happy to receive your letter. Like someone says that you gets to know that someone got first position, so you can say I'm very happy to receive your letter, that I gets to know that you got the first position. Thank you for your letter which I received. Like thank you for your letter, like someone has congrats you for getting the first position in class, so you are saying thanks for saying me this and appreciating me. Like also it is likewise it is used, like I'm so glad to hear. You can say like I'm so glad to hear, that you are so happy that someone has said you and told you, and you are very much happy for that, and you are talking just about that. Like I am glad to learn that you learned something and you are so much happy for that, and you are like writing a letter. So generally these only that express. Some letters, informal letters only, that are used are written for expressing the sorrow. You are feeling bad, means there is belonging, someone belongs to sorrow, that someone dead. So for expressing that, I'm sorry to hear that your father is no more. Your father is no more. So you will be writing that only. For expressing apology, like you are feeling so sad, I like to say sorry for what I did. I stolen your pen, so I am feeling now very much guilty. Like that, I'm sorry for not writing. Like suppose you were busy in your daily work, so you can say that I was busy in my daily works and I'm so sorry that I have not written in response to your letter. Like that also. Now there comes about the format of writing a informal letter, that how there I'm showing you this starting format. At starting, what you may write before the body and the salutation, before the body, what you have to write. First it comes about your heading, like address. Normally tells about your address, like 278 Rose Enclave, Vishakhapatnam. Okay, tells about your address. Sender's address is written here. Never include your name before the address. First address is always there. Sometimes children make this kind of mistakes only, that they write first their name. So address should be written first. Then the writer address is written at the top right hand corner, and writer address, you are writing letter, so you should write your name over there, your address over there. For example, like 25 Jalan Tabing 88 Section 8 40,000 Shah Alam Selangor Daron Ishan, and then after that date, that it appears directly below the address only. After leaving some space, you may write the date, like for any date it has, 28 June 2020, any date it be. Then salutation. The salutations cover that like to whom you are writing, like dear Kishore. So written below the address, like for example date we should write in this way, 6 June 2011, for example 6 June 2011. So like this we write date, and after it we write to whom we are writing the letter. And then it comes about the body, the space, then it also includes about the body. So in the body what contains, it contains all the informations or news the sender wants to convey or want to share and want to tell. Convenient change of paragraphs may come in it. You should always use a different paragraph for each new point you want to describe and convey. The division between the paragraphs should be marked by one line of space, that if you are writing and you want to express something new and saying that, so you may do like that. Punctuations rule should be fully observed in the body of the letter. Punctuations and the grammar use must be clearly. Okay, and then at the last, the closing, leaving taking expressions like until then, take care, you may write, and complimentary close like yours affectionately, your lovingly, that you may write, and at last your signature, the senders write their signatures. Okay, so now here ending a letter. Now sometimes it happens that you are so confused that what if I was writing a letter to my brother, so what I should write at last, your faithfully or your lovingly. If I was writing to my mother, father, any kind of relationship, in any kind of relationship you write letters, so you get little bit confused that how should I write at last, ending how should I do. So if you are writing yours faithfully, so if you don't know the name of the person and the letter by this, like your faithfully, like you don't want to express, so yours faithfully, yours sincerely. If you know the name of the person and the letter this way, yours sincerely, and if you doesn't not, it will be more convenient if you doesn't knows the name of the person to whom you are writing the letter, so then your faithfully and sincerely, then you knows the persons. And after it comes about your signature, sign your name and then print it underneath the signature that comes. If you think the person you are writing to might know whether you are male or female, put your little in brackets of your name. And if you want to write something, add in it, so you can add that if a person wants to know about you, so it's very much simple that you can add it over there. Then it comes, I'm giving you a complete format to write. This is too good here. From here you can easily observe. Okay, so informal letter, you use the informal letter layout when writing to a friend or member of your family. First always come about the writer's address, like here 15, your road, your town and your country, that comes all about you can write. Then secondly it comes about the date is written here just below the address, the date should be written, like 24 September 2000 if it is, so you may write that only. Then salutation, like dear mother, dear brother, or you may write by the name dear Kishore, dear Jimmy, like that the name of the person that you are writing the letter should be written. And then it comes about the body of the letter, which is the main part, like you are writing, this is where the content of your letter goes, like what you want to convey someone. You can write as if you are talking to your friends, you can even use slang. Don't forget, you still need to write in paragraphs. Okay, if you are conveying some new point, you should highlight it very clearly. And then comes about your subscription, which you gives the complimentary clause, like your lovingly, your affectionately, how you sign off the paragraphs, and at last your name, your signature, whatever your name is. So this is too simple about informal letter. So thank you.